Welcome to the AARDY.compare.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, Air France travel insurance. Well, Air France travel insurance is pushed to customers when they buy tickets here in the USA. Now, you may have wondered if the trip insurance was good value or overpriced nonsense. Well, Air France travel insurance appears to be overpriced nonsense, we're sorry to say. Now, Air France is unusual in that during the checkout process they offer two pieces of travel insurance. Both of them are pretty awful. Now, we looked at a flight from San Francisco to Lyon in May. So many tourists when traveling to France instinctively think of Paris. Well, whilst Paris is beautiful, like all major cities, it can be a little hostile. One of our favourite cities in France is Lyon. It is easy to get to by aircraft via Paris or train. Now, we prefer the high-speed train through France. The views are spectacular. Well, our flight was quoted at $1,619 in premium economy. As we worked our way through the purchase pages, we were asked if we wanted to think about travel insurance, then scared into buying through them in case insurance was not available later. Total nonsense, of course. Now, you can and should buy your travel insurance elsewhere. We were presented with two Air France travel insurance options, and both of them were really terrible. Now, the most basic flight insurance was $72, covering trip cancellation and interruption. A slightly more inclusive trip insurance added emergency medical and transportation and travel delay as well. Now, the cost of this policy was quoted at $89. These are really bad policies. Air France travel insurance is incredibly bad. So bad, in fact, that we decided to read through the policy document. Now, no surprises that the policy came from Allianz. Allianz tends to provide most airlines out of the US with expensive coverage, but even we were surprised when we realized that there were no coverage limits described. So when we read the insurance certificate for the Air France travel insurance, we noticed something that we have never seen before. Air France, or Allianz, doesn't share the coverage limits on its plan. Now, think about that. They won't share with you how much cover you're buying until after you've bought the policy. Can you think of anything more stupid? Do not touch such a policy. Run away bravely. There has to be a better trip insurance than the one Air France travel insurance is offering on its site, and of course there are many. So we ran a quote on AARDY Compare and have a variety of lower price comparison, competitive and comprehensive policies with genuine coverage benefits. Remember, the worst Air France travel insurance plan came in at $73. Well, our Roam Right Essential plan comes in at $49, our ITI Travel Lite comes in at $55, and the TII Worldwide Trip Protector Lite comes in at $55. Now, these are all excellent plans coming in at half the cost of the Air France travel insurance and all offering much better coverage. So our preference in this example would be to take the ITI Lite plan. This has 250k of medical evacuation and 100k of medical sickness. The ITI policy also provides cover if your vacation is cancelled by your employer, which the Air France travel insurance policy does not, and our policy through ITI is half the price. This is why it makes sense to shop around when looking for Air France trip insurance. Enjoy your next trip to France with Air France, but remember to pack travel insurance, and remember, our French friends created some of the most exquisite boulangeries and patisseries in the world, so enjoy your travels. Safe trip.